Hi students and families, welcome back to our lesson for phonemes. This will be the activities that students can do for the back of the page of their phoneme language paper. So on number 3, you're going to see that it says, using a dictionary, look up and record more words that use the blank sound. So for this, it would be the qua sound. What you could do is you can maybe pick something from this pile to look up, or you can use your language spiral and write down words that start with the qua sound, okay? So in order to find the meaning of the words, you would obviously look in the dictionary. If you have a book version of a dictionary, that would be really neat, okay? But if you do not, I will also show you some nice websites that are for students who can use the dictionary, okay? So I have the Merriam-Webster Children's Dictionary to use, and I'm going to go ahead and turn my page. All right, you'll see that it has an index, and if you look along the inside, you will see that there are different colors. All right, so I know that Q is all the way down here, and I'm just gonna take a chunk of the book and keep turning until I get to Q. All right, so now I'm at P, and I know that I'm getting close to Q. All right, but now I'm at R, so that means I went way too far, and I just rhymed there. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead. I have Q, and again, I know that I am looking for QU. So I look at the front, and I actually see that there's a lot of words that have QU, and it starts off with QU actually. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and look up quill. So qua-il, all right, so I see that this is QUA. So I'm going to keep going because I know that I has not shown up yet. QUE, all right. Okay, I see QUI, and now I need to look for L. So you're kind of skimming, and I actually see a picture of the quill. All right, so it says, it shows you the pronunciation, how it's pronounced. So it says KW, so it makes the qua sound, quill, and it is a noun. Whenever you see an N next to a word, it'll, or if you see the other letters, you will see what grammar word it is, okay? So this is a noun, and it says a large stiff feather of a bird's wing or tail. Okay, you may also see that there are other definitions of a quill. All right, so 2, it says the hollow tube-like part of a feather, so it's kind of the same thing. Then it says a hollow, sharp spine of a porcupine or hedgehog. Now down here it says a pin made from a feather. So that is the definition that I am looking for. A pin made from a feather. Because that is what this is a picture of. So I'm going to go ahead and write down number 4. I'm going to point to it. Let's see. And write it down. Quill. A pen made from a feather. All right, so you write that down. Again, you can do cursive or print, whichever one. You can also make these red. All right, and if you wanted to pick another word to do, I like to underline the word that I'm finding the definition for, you can do that. Now, that's just one example, but I also wanted to show you all a website that you can go to if you do not have a book version of a dictionary. Okay, so here on My Clever, I have this website on here that I added, and it's called Kids Britannica Dictionary. So you would click on it, and it will take you to the search engine. And I would type, I already looked it up, but I will type quill. All right. And then it says quill, a noun. And again, it shows the pronunciation. So it says the hollow tube-like part of a feather, one of the large stiff feathers of the wing or tail. 2, it says one of the hollow sharp spines of a porcupine or hedgehog, and a pin made from a feather. So these are actually, they match up with the ones in the dictionary. Now, if you look on this side, there are also images that'll show you a picture of a quill, okay, the feather of a bird's body, and videos. So porcupines are covered in long, sharp spines called quills. All right, maybe websites. So there's different things that you can click on, and if it doesn't have it, it's okay. All right, but this is a website or resource that you can use to learn some more about these, okay? So that is the activity with the dictionary. You can also, if you want to look up more, if they are not a part of these words, you can just use your regular spiral and make a dictionary list, right? So again, I could just write quill right here, underline, and write it down. A pen made from a feather. It's something that I like to do. I like to put it all in one box and try not to write past the red line, okay? So that is something you can work on, just creating a dictionary list. You can challenge yourself to find other words, okay? And use the resources. And that is our dictionary activity.